All right, hey, good day everybody. So I'm out here walking around at this RV storage location because I was out here. Let me get out of the sun, get that sun out of my eyes. And I was helping my buddy on a fifth wheel throw some TVs in, doing a little side job Bob stuff. He was, so he can make his life a little more substantially, whatever, who cares. Anyway, I have found a Winnebago out here at the storage facility. People asked me about doing a video on delamination. I thought this was the ultimate candidate. Also, this coach has a slide room that was not factory. So let's think about the structure of the motorhome, kind of weak as it is. Then we're gonna put a slide room in it, but check this out. So it's got a precision slides. I have done a little bit of research. They were out of Gilbert, Arizona. I don't know if they're still in business. I don't think they are. But this is a Winnebago Super Chief here in this storage facility. I wanted to go over delamination really quick. It happens when water gets between the skins. And this is the prime example. I'm going to go over here onto this passenger side. And as you look down it, you'll see this waviness. Someone had gotten a hole in the side of this at some point and actually done some body work. The great part is they didn't even sand it before they put the fiberglass on there. This reminds me of some of that old mat my dad used on the boat. A little Bondo in here, soft and whatnot. But let's roll up here to where we can really see that delam. Kind of see that bow coming out of here. Here's a really bad spot because it's leaking around this window. And then this whole wall has just went cattywampus through here. More than likely, oh, if you, I don't know if we can see, but way up there on the top, there's actually a hole in the top of the wall. So water is running down into here. Now it hasn't froze a lot this year, but if it did, this whole thing would just be blown out. I mean, you can see there. Holy shit, that is a country coach style porch light that we used on the Affinity product. Oh my. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys all a quick tour of this Winnebago. It was sold at Winnebago Northwest in Spokane. Now maybe Winnebago sent these down there and then the slides got put in and then taken to the dealer. Maybe not, but let's check out this craftsmanship on this slide room here. Got this plate in here somebody had to put in later. This funky double flange. It did have a topper awning fabric at one point though. Kind of crazy, so. I found the patio awning. It's on the roof. All right. Oh, we've got that moss growing out of there. I want to give you all guys a good shot of that. So, kind of unique. I bet somebody loved it when it was new, but I don't think it lasted too long. Comment below how many motorhomes you've ever seen with somebody putting a slide room in an aftermarket and how well that went for them. But everybody, hey, thanks for watching the videos. Thank everyone for subscribing, hitting those likes and doing those comments. Till next time, bye-bye.